Hey there, ready to learn some cool Python tricks? Let's dive right in. Our first trick is list comprehension. It's a concise way to create lists. Instead of using loops and appending elements, you can do it all in one line. Here's an example. X.2 for x in range 10. This creates a list of numbers from 0 to 18, each multiplied by 2. Moving on to our second trick, the lambda function. It's a small, anonymous function. Lambda functions can take any number of arguments, but can only have one expression. Here's how it looks. Lambda arguments, expression. Pretty neat, right? Our third trick is the use of the map function. It applies a function to all items in an input list. For example, map lambda xx2 1 2 3 4 will return 2 4 6 8. These tricks can help you write cleaner, more efficient code. Practice makes perfect. Python is constantly evolving, with new tricks and features being added regularly. Staying updated with these changes can give you an edge in your coding journey. That's it for our quick Python tricks. Remember, the key to mastering these is through consistent practice. To explore more on this topic and other skills, log into GyataAI. Happy learning.